guys, it's just Kylie. I hope you're all doing well. I'm just popping up today to share with you some cards I made for Tmika's Scrapdaworld's challenge. It's a link challenge number 3, and this month Tmika challenged us with a sketch to make some cards using, or I should say following this sketch, cutting up your 6x6 paper into these measurements and creating 4 cards using your cutouts. I used this 6x6 paper pad that I purchased and hauled from Kmart, Australia, and I used 3 different sheets of paper, and this is really pretty with some gold foiling in there. And also part of the challenge was to create a box to hold your cards in. These are A2 in size. Here in Australia our cards are standard C6, so I found this a bit of a struggle and a challenge because of the dimensions were quite different to what I'm used to working with a card here in Oz. So this is what I came up with. It took me a little longer than expected, you know, weren't happy with things, stop and start, so I thought I'd just show you what I came up with. So I made this acetate box with some white cardstock base and an acetate lid, which I will link to Tmika's video down below if you want to check it out. And it's decorated very simply. I had to make a paper tassel using the paper collection. Just held that together with a glittered mini peg, and I have a little for you tag, and that's a Stampin' Up tag. And all we do here is take this off, so the recipient can use all the bits and pieces. I thought they could reuse it into another project. And we just undo the ribbon, and it reveals my 4 cards. So I've got the 4 cards, and I've made some envelopes using the envelope punch board and just popped a bit of white tissue shred down the bottom. So this is my first card, and this is following this sketch here. So it's the first sketch. And I used an embossing folder by Craft, and it's called Leaves. It's really pretty. And I also used the gem sticker pearls. Well, I still had those on my desk, and I thought I'll use those up. So it's very simple, and they're all blank inside. And the stamps that I used was one from Annabelle Stamps when I was on their design team, and I used the Thinking of You and Just a Note sentiments. So that's my first card. My second card, and these are top opening because that's my favourite way. These ones are from the side. Third card. Blank inside, and my last one. Really like this paper from Kmart, so if you see it, guys, grab one. They're only $4 a pad, and you get quite like 30 sheets, so good value for money, and it's really pretty. So there's my card set. So why don't you play along? I'll link the videos below and where you can pick up the sketch. And you got to the end of March. I found it a challenge, but I suppose that's what a challenge is all about. Well, anyway, guys, I thank you so much for stopping by today. I hope you're all doing well. I think the weekend's coming up. Yes, today's Thursday. Yes, so have a great one, and I'll catch up with you again soon. Until then, take care and keep smiling. Thanks for stopping by. Bye. Bye-bye.